storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funny, or without lawful restrictions. Be careful who keeps orbiting around you. Not everybody circling around is fun. Some people are supportive, some are curious, and some are acting like unpaid detectives with unlimited free time. So today, let's talk about the difference between genuine supporters versus people who orbit just to gossip or drain energy, spy. All jokes, all respectful, all peaceful. 1. Real supporters clap. Fake observers count your mistakes with calculators. Reasons why supporters celebrate wins. Gossip collectors celebrate rumors. 2. Friendly neighbors says hi. Suspicious people know your schedule better than your alarm clock. Reasons why curiosity is normal, obsession is weird. 3. Winners stay busy. Negative people stay busy watching winners. Reason why hands full of goals leave less time for gossip. 4. Respectful people ask directly. Sneaky people investigate like a reality show contestant. Reason why healthy communication beats secret assumptions. 5. Some orbit for inspiration. Reason why one wants to learn, the other wants updates. 6. Successful minds build rumors. Reason why productive people focus on progress, not people watching competitions. 7. Real comrades bring peace. Drama collectors bring confusion with sound effects. Reason why good friendship feels calm, not exhausting. 8. Caring people respect privacy. Nosy people think every conversation is a documentary series. Reason why boundaries exist for a reason. 9. Some gather knowledge, other gather the screenshot. Reasons why education helps growth, gossip helps absolutely nobody. 10. Positive people lift others up. Negative people wait for someone to sleep. Reason why character shows during their people's success. 11. Real hustlers chase dreams. Fake hustlers chase rumors around the neighborhood. Reason why ambition usually move forward, not sideways. 12. Genuine people speak clearly. Manipulative people speaks in mystery episodes. Reason why confusion is not communication. 13. Wise people protect their energy. Troublemakers collect unnecessary drama like trading cards. Reason why peace is expensive. Don't trade it for gossip. 14. Respect goes a long way. Harassment and stalking, intimidations is never okay. Reason why every country values personal safety and respectful behavior. 15. The best revenge is success. No need to argue with every gossip circle. Reason why a happy life is louder than rumors. Not everybody watching you is against you, but not everybody around you deserve front row access either. Stay smart, protect your peace, and remember people with full schedules usually don't have time to patrol everybody else's business.